The audio that I mentioned about a father speaking to his daughter and about his daughter in a sexual manner. You know, apparently people think I'm lying. So here's the audio. Listen it and let me know what you think. Comment in the comment section. Thank you.
So yeah, people, we just done. Just done.
Welcome my people, welcome back to Drama Official TV. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. So hear this now. By now you're supposed to see the clips that circulate with say my brother Shavon and him daughter, right? But trust me, it not look good for social media. Social media gone wild and everybody attack. But guess what now? Shavon run out and speak out and clap back on all of the allegations and say no go so. So stick around to hear everything what him have to say, and remember to like, comment and share the video.
Because Zane, so you see that all over. My mother, I say what kind of argument that? Like, when we are talking about, because what she see on the internet, and my video, and I make a video she say, if you can know what they say for me, I say. All over people, that's the things to me, my mother has the things to her. Alright, listen careful now, guys. So if you don't listen to the video, what I hear me say, it's never, the video is not all about my daughter. You see me? When I say it's not about my daughter, you see me? It's not about my daughter. The fact that is because the video turned on her, so who not gonna say she is me attack. Actually, me I say as so, as how my daughter been her back, that's how me girl been her back, and that's how her mother been her back. So me say yo, then love back, cause me not talk about my blood clot daughter. You see it? Me not talk about my daughter. You see me? Well, I understand say yo, what? Like me I say what the fuck, and not gonna talk about call CD and call them. Fuck enough when I talk about call them. You see me? Come out of my business, man. I leave not talk about my daughter. All day I look for my little daughter. I love my daughter, my first daughter. When I do some video, this is some TikToker out there. I go live and I chat be a fuckery. Yo, listen to the video good. I'm gonna put in a video for the ear. I'm gonna hear when I say. You see me? And then I'm gonna put it in a video, I'm gonna hear too as well. This is the video I say. That's why Reds love backers too, you know. One can bend no back. Because I see my daughter back bend like me girl. That's how me girl bend her back too. They not bend them back and bend their knee. See? Then go so. They have them back straight up. You see me? So that's why I say that. I'm gonna call her mother name. I'm gonna talk about my daughter. Just because the video catch for my daughter. You see me? Then the next thing, when you hear me talk about me, I'm gonna cut it. It's not about that video. It's a video about my friend place. They want to get exposed. So I say cut it, but I guess maybe I never hear that part if she cut out this when she talks, they never cut out, because she cut out the video with the place. I'm going to post that video for the ear. I add the full video with me tell us because I'm going to put an emoji, because I don't want to show up with that place. I put an emoji on it, and I'm going to hear it.
So yeah, people, we just done. Just done.
Wala can bend ang bakal. So kapag look bakal, wala siya look bakal sa tina. Wala can bend.
Look dun. My girl. My girl.
I don't take crazy bakal sa naman nila, no? You see me? Come on, man, you're not too bitter out there, man. You don't know if you run with. You see me? You have to know if you run with, man. That ain't nothing coming at black time. I talk about my daughter. I mean just have the video for my daughter. You see me? The fact that I bought my daughter back Ben just like her mother. I mean my daughter about
Come, my place in Shavon. Call CD. Come, like a pepper, come now.
Hello.
Hello?
Then girl really come and start laugh like a sitting funny. Me can't know about yourself. You know that man no better. Me don't know if you're woman in that shit and that one day over there some the woman in that shit way. You come over here and start laugh like you funny. No little nothing more you. I shame me now. You're supposed to shame. I talk about Sego. I open the breed and people they both want breed and can't breed. Eh?
maybe you
No,
can't.
no, it's not funny. It is not funny.
You cannot breed.
It is not funny. They come and say kiki like your circumcised penis.
What?
And if you have something about you, no man, and if you have something about you, no, you know nothing about, you don't have nothing about you. You like that man, not have nothing about you, no.
That's sure you don't see man would have bashed me. If me did that shit, you don't see man would have bashed me.
We not bash because we not know. But what your man say, come this man, he will call CDA, call, have something about your little girl, if you have something about you. Eh? Your man say about your own a pitney, you did that kiki. It's funny? That should even come out of your man mouth. It should never come out of your mouth. He might have daddy for you pitney and he can't say that. Eh? What kind of woman you be? You're supposed to be a protector. Eh? And you come over here and say I laugh. Her views no look hour. Because not funny. Uncle thing me can't say and make the good lad go with you.
And him will.
You sure? You sure?
Him will.
Did I get it look like say some of your little screw them missus still, you know. So I'm not even going to waste all my time today with you.
Pussy. You fuck your mother and come off.
When you move your big stinking mouth, fuck out, girl. But chuck to your mother big hole, careless, dirty girl. You're not nothing but your dog shit. You should have shame. You should have shame being or your pictures that they are going dog shit.
Call CDA.
You know, big woman thing. Minnie, you write it like you're mental. Your mental good? You can't write it. No, you can't write it. When I screw them last downstairs. You can't write it. No time you can't write it. Bellevue, when I have a patient on the loose.
Girl bend over, she eat her food, and instead of it, tell the little girls if they sit down, eat her food properly, you the father proceed to say, that's why I love buckers. The whole unu can't take buckers. And proceeded to say this not once, not twice, but 3 times throughout the video. The woman in the video, who I guess is the mother, then says, mega cut it out, mega cut it out. Pedophilia is alive and well in Jamaican society, and the women are the ones that are enabling it. Take it from somebody where me got through puberty very young. I was very round at an early age, and let me tell you, man them in Jamaica never business about my age. In fact, many of them were enticed. It's like them skin catch a fire when them know say my underage. Now them a claim say it was a prank. It's not a prank. Them just probably never expect say, me don't know what them did expect. Them never expect the public did go react the way the public react. Or maybe they are so used to their lifestyle of pedophilia, them things say it normal. I really don't know. Me not know why them feel like say that was an appropriate video to put out there. But it's the pick-me, male-centered women that are out here allowing these men to feel like them can do what them do. The mother should have dark up a place when him said that, but no, she said she had to cut it out. Pick me, male-centered women. Where you want love? That bad? Relationship? You want that bad? I don't expect much out of the man, you know. I already give up on men in society. But not only did he think the thoughts, him say it, you know, and him say it so comfortable, and him say it multiple times, which means that this is normal. In them household, this is normal. This is just a normal thing to say. God knows what he's doing behind closed doors. But this is normal. And then the pick-me, male-centered woman, whether they make a cut it out. I love you want so bad, relationship you want so bad, that you cannot protect your own child.